Hi there! We are Kansas City Hardscapes, and we understand that it can sometimes be a bit nerve-wracking waiting for your scheduled meeting to come around. What should I expect? How long does this process take? Are the salesmen pushy? Well, I'm here in this video to put your anxiety at ease and to walk you through the process. Step 1. So you've officially booked your design meeting either by calling in or using our website. You've completed the first step. Now what? Step 2. It's appointment day. Either Mark or Thomas will come out to your house, go over your wants, needs, and vision. Typically, they'll walk around the area you want to upgrade with you to get a better feel for the outdoor space, so they can make the best design they can in accordance with zoning and construction laws. If you have any questions, be sure to ask. This is an opportunity you have to voice your concerns, ask questions to better understand certain lingo the salesman may use, and to show us any abnormalities in the ground you wish to build on. Step 3. Your brilliant designer has listened to everything you would like to incorporate into your new outdoor living space and are working tirelessly to create a 3D design to show you a realistic picture of what your outdoor area could potentially look like. They will also send over a proposal detailing what the project will entail, the cost breakdown, additional add-ons you may want that will work well in the outdoor space, and your 2D and 3D drawings. Be sure to check out the terms page in the proposal as well. At this point, if there are any changes you'd like to make to the 3D design, let your designer know so we can give you the best design to fit your wants and needs. Step 4. You love it. You decide to commit and go with us as your trusty hardscape company for your project. You'll put down the initial deposit, and at that point, we will add you to our project calendar so we can begin construction. Keep in mind, the faster you are in the process, the faster we can get out to your site and begin constructing the outdoor space of your dreams. Step 5. Oh boy, the breaking ground day is right around the corner. At this point, we will finalize all of the details of the project, which include the materials we'll be using, the finishes you would like, and any final touches. As soon as this gets done, we move on to the next step. Step 6. The day has arrived. Our crew arrives to begin work on your new outdoor space. All of our laborers arrive ready to work with the proper safety equipment, like steel-toed boots and earplugs. They work alongside the project foreman to make sure all measurements, construction, and installation are done correctly. Don't be afraid to say hi. All of our guys are friendly. Step 7. Your project is now complete. Our crews will clean up the area and make sure you can enjoy a nice cold drink in your new outdoor space. Step 8. Be sure to leave us a review on social media platforms and receive a gift card just for sharing your opinion with others. I hope you find this video informative, and we look forward to working with you.